Yo, what's going on, guys? Dan here, back with another video. Today's video, finally put on the coilovers onto this IS300. Got my boy Zuvi over here, my boy Sean over here doing some work as well.
Yeah.
My boy putting in the shifter, short shifter.
It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be dumb short.
Hell no. Yep. So, just finished one of the coilovers. I did one of them already. As you can see, can't really see, but you know, you can see over there the color of the coilover. That's the stock shock right here. I have 3 more to go. This is a rear, and then I have 2 more over here for the other side. But yeah, so this officially begins the process of putting all my parts back on this car. I obviously can't all do it in one day because I do drive this car, but it's no big deal. I didn't really plan on doing it all in one day because it's a lot of work and I'm gonna be really tired and I don't want to kill myself. So first things first is the coilovers. I'll probably put the headers in next, or I don't know, probably do the coilovers. Might do a radio install next video because I'm tired of listening to the regular radio and just hearing a bunch of like commercials and call 1-800-411-PAIN. I'm tired of hearing that. I'm done with that. I want to hear my own music and play my Bluetooth. So next video is probably going to be me putting a radio in the IS300. I know I haven't done that before. It's going to be new to me because I haven't done it before, because every IS300 I see already has a radio in it. But yeah, so I'm going to be taking my double din radio and putting it in this IS300 so I can finally have music to listen to. I'm going to go ahead continue doing the coilovers. I'm not going to show it or show too much at least, because I've already pretty much shown you guys how to do that before. So I'm basically just doing the same things, and this is another IS300, so it's the same steps. But if you want a video showing you how to put it in, I personally have a video on my channel. I'll probably put it up here, probably put it somewhere up here. I don't know where it goes, but probably link it, or I possibly will link it down below in the description. But if you just go through my channel, you'll see installing CX Racing coilovers on my IS300, which are what these coilovers are. I'm just going back on this IS300 since I took it off the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward to me putting in doing some more work basically. So see you guys in a little bit. So we're back and finished doing the fronts. It's already nighttime, as you can see. Fronts take forever for me to do. I don't know why, they're just complicated to me, I think. But this is how it came out. Now compared to the back, which I haven't done at all yet, see there's pretty sizable wheel gap there as compared to the front. There is almost no wheel gap. Actually doesn't even look like there is. I mean, I can still feel my finger in here, so yeah, there's a little bit of wheel gap, but not as much as the rear. The rear has a fat wheel gap. Come over to the other side. See, it's the same thing. How much of a wheel gap? And over here in the back, fat wheel gap. Haven't done anything yet on the rear. Still got that boy over here. How's it moving along over here?
You feel me? Short as hell.
Oh yeah, zoom in on that. Nice.
There we go.
Elite. So yeah, that's basically what both of us have been doing. Are you still gonna do the camber arms or no? Hell nah. So yeah, we're gonna also do his camber arms, and they are stunning. These things are beautiful. Wow. I need to get some for my car, but these are amazing. soon come. But other than that, I'm just gonna really just do the rear coilovers. I do have something that I want to show you guys, but that won't be until the next video, because you know I'm not gonna spoil anything. And I do have something in the mail coming for me that I'm very excited for. Can't wait to show you guys, and it benefits not just me but you guys as well. You'll see what I mean by that when it gets here. But yeah, those are just some big things coming. Still in the process of getting parts for the manual swap. Got some stuff coming in the mail. I'll reveal that to you once it gets here. But other than that, there's not really much I've been doing to this car. I've been daily driving it, and now I'm just putting the coilovers on. I will put my headers and my Y pipe on soon, but I'm gonna hold off on that for just a little bit. I do miss having the sound of a car, like actually hearing the exhaust. This car is really quiet. It's like super quiet. But other than that, like, I love this car. This car is great. But yeah, so I'm gonna whoa.
Gay!
Whoa. I'm gonna finish up doing these rear coilovers. They're a lot quicker to do than the fronts. And I will come back and probably end the video there. Alright, so taking a break from putting the coils on, I'm gonna ride with Sean. I'm gonna test out his short shifter, see how it feels while actually driving. Oh, it's lit. Yeah, that waterless wash away.
I've never really been in the back before.
It's crazy. This screen is lit.
Car died.
You're lying.
Fuck it.
Babe, don't play like that.
I gotta get used to it. Try and drive fast, I'm gonna fuck up. It's just short. I usually have to throw it in way more.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, they did fix it.
Yeah. What's this?
Where did I go again?
Come true. I don't know.
Is that a fucking Porsche? Has to be here. Wow. This is amazing.
That's crazy.
It's crazy what? It's so short shifted
Yeah.
to your car.
Like just seeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know how yours was before.
She was long. It's a good streak to do a quick pull on.
Yeah.
Right here?
This is where we.
That's right. That's where we did the little burnout.
Yeah.
Oh my
God
gosh.
damn. That is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That was amazing. God. That boy, shit.
It's so short. So short.
That is crazy. Oh no, that boy can spin tires now.
I know, right? Oh my god.
Yo.
That's
That
like
put a boy. That put a smile on my face.
can't let people see this.
Yeah, hell no.
Damn. I kind of forgot what it was.
I'll give you a hint. times 2 minus 2.
Access granted.
Yeah. Yo, so it is about 2 days later from the last clip you guys just saw. Got the coilovers on. Been riding with it for the past 2 days. I gotta do some adjusting to it. It clunks just a little bit going over bumps, which I don't really like. Hate hearing that clunking sound, but other than that, it rides perfectly fine. Car feels great. It's just a clunk. I hate hearing it whenever I go over bumps, but yeah. So this is the car, the way it looks now sitting with the coils. I show you guys the fronts and how the rears look. The front. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. I am happy to see that I have a lowered car again. I gotta wash it. Look at that dirt on there, bro. It's nasty. That's crazy. I gotta wash this car. But yeah, finally got her lowered. And I'm not riding like a monster truck no more. And why the hell is this guy? Yeah, so pretty excited. I'm gonna be putting on more stuff pretty soon. Probably not gonna do it till next week. Might do my headers. I actually will be installing my radio soon. Not too sure if I'm actually gonna show you guys that because it's pretty boring. It's just putting a radio in, wiring stuff, and turning it on. Other than that, yeah. Also, I got something to show you guys. I've been waiting for this part for months, and it's for my big brakes. If you follow my Instagram, you would have seen I got a package from Megan Racing. I got it's like little instructions, but I finally got the adapters that I needed to put my big brakes on. See if I can show you guys how nice they look. I already opened it. I was too excited to not open this, but I put them back. Look at that. That looks amazing, bro. Looks beautiful. And it came with the bolts too. So probably gonna end up putting that on once I go back to adjust my coils, and then get all the stuff that I need from my big brake conversion, because I low-key had to return my the rollers. I returned the rollers and pads because I needed the money to get the car. Return the rollers and pads. I returned the brake hardware. I still have the calipers. They're still here. I just gotta rebuy. I gotta buy the rollers and pads again because I had to return them. I need some cash. I was running low on cash, and now I gotta buy them back. Then I can put those on, as well as my brake line, my two-bladed brake line. Gotta buy those back because I returned that also. Yep. So that's pretty much it. Once I get all that stuff back, I will be putting the big brakes on the car, which hopefully won't take long. I'm just gonna end up getting everything that I returned. I'm gonna just buy it back now that I know where I bought it from. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and you know, follow me on my Instagram to keep up to date with any other things that I may be doing, because I do post a lot on my Instagram and my story. You can not subscribe. You can follow me on my Instagram right here at Dann_Lex, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Your boy's out.